Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm showing you how I cook my ndole. It's not actually a tutorial. It's just like trying to show you what I do from like day to day in my kitchen. Okay, so today I decided to cook ndole. My friend said, Olivia, I want to eat a Cameroon meal. I want to remind you guys I'm an international student in India, a Cameroonian. So all my friends are mostly from Kenya, Zambia, and other countries. They say, Olivia, I want to taste your food. So I said, okay, fine. What came to my mind was Ndole. Ndole is a traditional meal for the SAWA people in Cameroon. The SAWA people from littoral. Okay, so I bought my things. I came back home, tried to see. Okay, for the Ndole leaves, I brought it from Cameroon. Like when I was traveling to come and study, I brought my vegetables because I've not yet seen it here. I'm not saying it's not here. I said I've not yet seen it here. Okay, so this peanut, that is the Ndole leaves itself, the vegetable. So I was cooking two, so that I can gain time. Inside the blender was my onion, my garlic, and my ginger. Yeah, and my chili. I forgot to add chili, but there was chili inside. Okay, so now I took two so that I can gain in time. So now after my granite and my dole vegetables were off the fire, I went in with the plantain. Actually, it's not plantain, it's banana. When I was buying it, I thought it was plantain. It's actually banana because it looked like plantain. So now I went in with my. When the granite was ready, I put the plantain on the fire and the meat, the beef meat. Okay, for those people who think that we don't eat beef meat in India, it's a lie. Oh, you have not searched for it. Search for it, you will see. Okay, so I blended my granite. You see, I'm only next it. You can see it there. And now my meat is also ready, guys. It's not actually a tutorial. That's why I was doing it fast. I just want to like keep record of whatever I do. I just like posting. Sorry. Okay, my bad. If you want me to teach you how to cook ndole, you just comment it on the comment section. I'm going to go step by step, and I'll put all the ingredients for you to know what to use exactly. So now I went in with my vegetables. Like after I boiled it, I drained it so that water should come out of it. Now I went it in the granite. Remember the ginger garlic I molinex. I put it inside that granite, that peanut paste. I mixed it. Now when it has boiled a bit, then I went in with my vegetables, my ndole vegetables, as you could see. Now, see the vegetables are very dry, right? I think you'll be asking, there's no water. How are you going to eat it? Why is it so dry? Okay, let me shock you. What you see beside is oil, right? I have to go in with onions. There is no ndole without onions. In French, we say, iya pas de ndole sans onions. Ah, Seigneur. Ndole, it's onion. Like if you eat here onion, you touch here onion, you touch here onion, that's ndole. Okay, so inside the ndole, the vegetables, I already went in with my meat. I didn't show it, like I said, it's not a tutorial, just to show you how I cook my ndole. So there was already meat inside the pot, so now I just added my oil and my onions, so it can be yummy. You get it? You get it? So I'm trying to make sure the oil gets penetrates. It penetrates inside the ndole. Okay, so that's it. My ndole is ready for eating. Remember, my plantain or banana was already ready. So now I'm dishing. Okay. Sorry guys, I don't have iPhone. I don't have good phone. Bear with me, bear with my camera. You see now, I thought it was plantain, it was actually banana, guys. See. Look at the way it is. Ah, oh my god, that oil beside. When I eat this food, I think about, you know. Shout out to you for making me love this meal. Thank you for making me learn how to cook. Bye.